I dare you not, don't come inside. I dare you don't come inside, please. Ah! 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 It's Granny time. But it's not your well-known Granny, it's a different Granny. It's a Granny from a world of hell. It's more scarier than the Granny of our planet Pluto. Yes, she is from Earth. You heard me. Welcome to Grandma. It's a PC game. I will just tell it. Yes, this is one of the best menus I've ever seen in a game. It actually allows you to select options like this, which is so good. Welcome to Grandma Horror Game. Well, I'm really excited. I saw the trailer and believe me, it was one of the most scariest trailer I have seen in some time. So let's just go play. Let's play, right? Yeah. I can't hear anything. I got a call from my sister.
Where are you at? Please help.
Something's wrong. I have to go look for her. She's at Grandma's.
So here we are, of course. Where else we will be? I'm gonna reduce my volume over here. Just a second. My shit was not connected properly, so it was horrible. Anyways, so we have this place. We are inside this house and I have no idea what we need to do over here. Okay, this shit is locked, of course. Oh, we can run as well, but running is useless, cause yeah, right. It's so slow, right? What is this place? Oh, look at that. That's Mando, and that's Kalicharan, of course, right? What's this? Does it work? What do I need to press? It doesn't work. Anyways, what's this? Another portrait, goddammit. I am not scared of you, ghost. If you think I am, though, I am not. Okay, that was scary, by the way. What are these portraits? Landscapes? They look dumb. They are scary, by the way. Arre! Abhi to main zinda hu. I'm still alive, right? Like, I just entered in this game. There is no need to scare me so early, right? What's this? Dear diary, Grandma's been shoving red meat down my throat. She said I need to stay alive until the moment's right. Why is she doing this to me? What moment? My fingertips are so sore from being I can't read that word. I think it's afflict. I don't know. Grandma's sadistic ways are getting worse. She smiles at me saying, "Eat up, dear. Wouldn't want that fine meat to go to waste." Okay. Can I open these drawers? I can't. Okay, so this looks like Granny. A bit like Granny. Same kitchen, I guess. But let's move it. Let's keep moving, of course. I don't want to die. I'm too young to die. Okay, so this was not in the real Granny game. It's a different game, by the way. I'm just kidding, right? Dear diary, Grandma is dead. I'm not sure what happened. She was in a room hanging by a rope. Her neck must be snapped as soon as she kicked the chair. Inside me, I felt something was bound to happen soon. Something that told me death was coming. The voices in my head will not go away. They whisper Mafia's room. Mafia's name, god damn it. I have to finish what Grandma started. Lily. Who is Lily? Okay, don't forget to like this video, of course. Our goal is 200 likes. This shit is a bit locked. I don't know why. Let's go back. This is your hell. Can I open this shit? I think it was not written here before. What? What happened? Something happened. Doors are still locked, but something happened. This shit is locked. I think this is the main door, of course, right? I hear someone talking, god damn it. Okay. This is weird. I don't want to die. What's this? This shit is ridiculous. My god, this shit is scary. Wait, what? Was this thing open before?
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
You know I'm too young to die. What's this place, by the way? What's that?
Magic forces, black and white,
Oh,
reaching out through space and light.
weird.
Be he far or be
How did I come here, by the way?
bring us the demon. Grandma is here.
Maria, I know one day you will read these pages from my diary, so I have scattered them throughout the house so you can remember. Remember your reason for leaving me to rot. My hatred towards you has grown throughout the years. I can never forgive you, Lily. So I think Lily is some kind of enemy of ours. I don't know. What else do we have here? It's locked, of course. It's also locked. Weird, right? Scary game, to be honest. Like, this bunny last time I clicked, it kind of wrecked my ass. All these doors are locked. So I think I should go and press that bunny now. Before some shit happens, right? God damn it. By the way, that bunny went missing. What? Oh, it's here now. Weird, right? Hey, bunny bro. Hey, bunny bro. Why are you moving, bunny bro? You know it's scary, bunny bro. What I should do? I am a bit confused. Bunny bro, can you tell me anything? You god damn it, kid. Oh, this door opened. When did this shit open, by the way? What's this lame place? Very lame, by the way. What's this? It's getting hard to keep the truth from Maria. What is the truth? Grandma's monster? Grandma's a monster. I am being eaten slowly by whatever she fed me to. I can't think straight. I am still alive. It's Maria still left and breath. I want to scream, but I can't. Grandma has something a hold of me and I can't break away no matter how I try. It feels of my heart is being squeezed. Oh my god. God damn it. You know, right? Like I am very scared of these games. God damn. नहीं ऐसा नहीं कर यार. अरे नहीं बाबा. I don't want to play this shit. God damn it. Guys, if I die tonight, I will really appreciate if you can bury me somewhere safe from grandma. Of course, that was a joke. I'm not gonna die. Oh my god, this shit is weird. Yes. Okay, so this shit opened, right? Did it? Yeah, it did open. Weird. You don't have to scare me, you know? You know that, right? You don't have to scare me, bitch. I am King Ganbru. I am from Asgard. You know Asgard से आएंगे मंदिर यहीं बनाएंगे. Yes, I am that guy. Weird. It opened and closed. It's why? Why is this place so lame? Hello, bunny. हंस मत बुढ़िया. हंस मत. हंस मत पगली. Weird ass bitch. Not even kidding. Don't tell me you are waiting for me somewhere else, right? What is this place? Hello, bunny. Why do you keep moving? That's so weird. Are you looking at me? Are you scouting me, bitch? You know, like I'm King Andrew from planet Pluto. I am the best guy. Why did I move over there like that? God damn it. Oh. Oh, what's this? I can't read anything inside. It's kind of weird, right? Okay. अरे बाबा! No. I'm too young to die. नहीं. You know, it opened again. God damn it! That's so weird. The bunny is missing now. Okay, weird. It opened again. How? How did it open again? God damn it! It's weird. Goddamn game is weird. Can I go out? Okay. Was this shit here before? I didn't see it. Let me follow the blood trails, of course. That's what the game wants me to do. It was not here, I guess. I don't know. Was it? You look very nastily scary, bitch. Bunny's here. You better don't scare me, bunny. It opened. मैं अगर आज मरता हूँ ना, this is one of the most scariest game I've played in some time. God damn it, dude. No, god damn it, no. I'm no, please. Why is the smoke coming inside? I can hear. I dare you not. Don't come inside. I dare you don't come inside, please. Give me goddamn water, goddamn it. This shit is. I wonder why this game is not wrecking Outlast till now. This shit is cool. Not even kidding. Like, whoa. Alright, let's continue. Take a break, goddammit. This shit ain't a joke, dude. It's gonna give me a legit heart attack. Gonna say that shit, right? What was that, by the way? She save me. किसको बचाऊं? मैं खुद तो अपनी जान बचा नहीं पा रहा, तेरे को बड़ा बचा पाऊंगा. Help? Save me? Is Bunny here, by the way? Hey, can I sit on this chair? By the way, never mind. Let's go out. Hello. It's me, King Andrew from planet Pluto. How are you, everyone? It's me, a boy. Of course. I think the other door will be open now. I guess so. I don't know. I am scared of you, kids. I'm King Andrew. The guy. Okay, you better don't scare me now. I'm legitimate scared, by the way. More scared than anyone of. I'm so scared I can't even speak now. God damn it! What do we need to do here? Dear journal, I am completely alone. I went to tell Maria everything last night, but she wasn't in her bed and the window was left open. I am alone. Maria left me here. She abandoned me. I did all of this for her. I did what I was told to. She can be protected. You better don't scare me now. God damn it! Not again. नहीं bed हिल रहा है. Hey, it's moving. Bed is moving. Why is bed moving? What's going on? Bed is moving. God damn it! Why is bed moving? What should I do? Should I sit on that bed? I don't know. Why is this goddamn bed flying, dude? Okay, this shit. Baba!